Right, you've been quite a good helper here, haven't you? Yeah, look. Look. Put this around like this. Here, look. See? Yeah, that goes here. And then like this. And you turn this, right? Yeah. That's good, mate. Yeah, that's good help too. For the head massage. That's it. Yeah, can you screw that on for me? Can you? Can you do that? That's it. Go on, you do it. Yes. Good boy. You got it tight enough? You got it tight enough here? Have a look. Come on, you big fella. Oops, I got your fingers there, didn't I? Yeah, what do you think needs to be on down there? Is that alright? I'll use that. Okay. There it is. You want to tighten that? Can you tighten it? Go on, you do it. No, you fell it off. Hang on. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Brody and the bed.